Description: up your styling options with the new GHD Professional Hair Dryer Diffuser, now adaptable with any GHD Helios or GHD Air Hairdryer. Benefits: provides an even air distribution for perfectly formed, frizz-free curls and waves. Suggested use: designed for use with the GHD Air and GHD Helios hairdryers only. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. I have a GHD Air Hairdryer and needed a diffuser attachment, hence this purchase. It fit perfectly and does what it should. I read some reviews that the attachment did not fit for some people. There is a plastic ring that needs to be removed from the end of the diffuser before it can be attached to the hairdryer. Love my GHD products.